My dear friends, welcome to my next video session. So in this session I am going to discuss about the CPS lab program, that is 18CPL17 bar 27 of video syllabus. So the problem or the program is develop a program to find the reverse of a positive integer and check for palindrome or not. Display appropriate messages. So that is, we have to check whether the given number is given positive number is palindrome or not, and accordingly we have to display the messages, and even we have to find out the reverse of the positive integer. See, what is a palindrome? So palindrome is the number which is written even in the reverse direction, it is same. That is, whether you read the given integer from left side to right side or from right side to left side, if it is same, then we call it as palindrome. That is, the given number and its reverse number, if both are same, then we call the number as palindrome. If the given number and reverse of that number are not same, then it is not palindrome. So that's why, to solve this problem, we need to first understand the concept of finding out the reverse of the given positive integer. Once you find the reverse of positive integer, then you compare it with the given number. If both are same, then display the message palindrome. Otherwise, the given number is not a palindrome. Okay, so this is what the concept. So let's discuss this with the help of a flowchart. Let us see what is the flowchart for this one. See, flowchart to check whether the integer is palindrome or not. Start, and here reverse assigned value 0. See, whenever you have to find out reverse of the given integer, first you need to initialize one variable to 0, means you have to store 0 into one variable. So that's why here I have taken one variable called rev, means identifier, name of the identifier or name of the variable rev, which is initialized with 0. So because while computing the reverse, we use this one, reverse assigned value reverse star 10 plus digit. So that's why reverse, new value of reverse is equal to old value of reverse multiplied by 10 plus digit. That's why old value of reverse means, so initially we must store some value into reverse, and that should be 0. So this is what the reason. So because this is assignment statement, so we have used a rectangle here. Rectangle has to be used for processing or assignment statement. So then given number, you have to read the given number. So that is, you have to give the input. So for input, it's a parallelogram. So read, okay, variable name is num. Read num means the given number, you have to store it into one variable, and name of the variable is num. And while calculating the reverse, we are going to modify this number, where this number gets changed. It keeps on changing. So that's why, in order to compare it, the reverse of a number with the given original number, we need to store it in some other variable, temporary variable. So that's why here I have used rectangle. N assigned value num, means I have copied the value of num into another variable called n, because to compute the reverse, to compute the palindrome, I told you the given number is equal to reverse of a number, then we will say it is palindrome. So that's why the given number has to be stored into some other variable in the beginning itself. Okay, that's why number is copied into n, because during the process of computing the reverse, this value of number gets changed. Okay. Now see here, actually we are extracting digits one by one from the given number. So for that purpose, we use one loop. Repeatedly we do the same operation. So that's why I have taken here while loop. While number is not equal to 0, means given number is not equal to 0, or given number is as long as not equal to 0, we need to perform these three operations repeatedly. Okay, this is very important. So that means the given number, say for example 1 2 3 4, first we have to extract the first digit. Say if the given number is 1 2 3 4, So what will be the reverse of a number? So if the given number is 1, 2, 3, 4, the reverse of a number will be 4, 3, 2, 1, means 4321. So this is first number of reverse number will be 4. 4 means the last number of given number 1, 2, 3, 4. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, that 4 has to be extracted first and copied into one variable called digit. So that we can always do it by computing the remainder by dividing the number by 10. See, that's why we will say digit assigned value number mod 10. So number is 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10. What is the remainder? This percentage is modulus operator gives you remainder. When the given number 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10, what is the remainder? 4. So that 4 will be stored into one variable. We have named that variable as digit. Okay. Then we have to compute reverse. Already I have initialized reverse with 0. So that's why new value of reverse is equal to old value of reverse 0 multiplied by 10, means 0 into 10, 0, plus digit we have computed 4. So 0 plus 4, it becomes 4. And you can observe here, every time we are multiplying reverse value by 10, because first digit 4 will be in the first position, unit position. Next time it should become 40 plus something. That's why it goes to second position. Next time once again body of the loop is executed, it will be 40 into 10, 400. Next time once again 400 into 10, 4000, because our reverse number will be 4000 something. So that's why every time you have to multiply reverse by 10 and go on adding the digits. Every time you have to extract the digit, that digit has to be added, and final value whatever you get, that will be reverse. And every time you have to decrease the value. See, first your number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next you have to shrink that or shorten that to 1, 2, 3. Next you have to shorten that to 1, 2. Next you have to shorten it to 1. Next you have to shorten it to 0, like this. See, that's why to shorten the number means from 1, 2, 3, 4 to get 1, 2, 3, if you divide the given number by 10, your quotient will be 1, 2, 3. So this is what the quotient. So that's why new number, so 1, 2, 3, 4 now should be changed to 1, 2, 3. So new number assigned a value, old number 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10. When 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10, what is the quotient? Quotient is 1, 2, 3. So that 1, 2, 3 will be your new number. Okay. So then after the last statement of body of the loop, you should go back to the condition. What is the condition here? Number not equal to 0. So what is number here? 1, 2, 3, which is not equal to 0. True. True means execute body of the loop. So once again, digit is equal to num mod 10. 1, 2, 3 divided by 10. So 3 will be digit. Reverse is equal to reverse star 10 plus digit. Our reverse is 4. 4 into 10, 40. 40 plus digit becomes 3. 43. And our new number becomes number divided by 10. That is 1, 2, 3 divided by 10. What is the quotient? 12 will be my new number. See, this is the last statement. Go back to loop. While number is not equal to 0, that is 12. Is it equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. True. So number not equal to 0, 12 not equal to 0, true. So once again execute these three statements. Digit assigned a value num mod 10. So what is our number here? 12. 12 divided by 10, what is the remainder? 2. So digit is 2. Reverse is equal to reverse star 10. So what is our reverse? 43. 43 into 10, 430. 430 plus digit is 2. So 432 is our new value of reverse. Number is equal to number slash 10. So number is 12. 12 divided by 10, what is the quotient? 1. So 1 will be your new number. After last statement, go back to the condition of loop. Is number not equal to 0? Yes, 1 is not equal to 0. True, true. So digit is equal to num mod 10. Means 1 divided by 10. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Because 1 zeros are 0, remainder is 1. So reverse is equal to reverse star 10. What is the reverse? Our reverse 430 into 10 means 432 into 10. So 4320 plus digit is 1. So 4321. The number is equal to number slash 0. What is our number? Here number is 0. divided by 10. So 0 divided by 10, quotient is 0. So that is your new number is 0. So control after last statement, control comes back here. While number is not equal to 0, no, now the number is 0. So this condition becomes false. False means you see control comes out of loop. Control comes out of loop. Now you have to find out the reverse. So what will be there in reverse? In reverse you will have 4, 3, 2, 1. See, write reverse value 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you have to check whether reverse is equal to n. See, you cannot take NUM because the value of NUM is 0. So that's why we have stored here NUM into another variable safely well in the beginning itself. That's why we have to compare reverse with n. So that's why is reverse is equal to n. Possible answers are yes or no. If it is yes, then right number is a palindrome. So printf statement, right number is a palindrome. If reverse is not equal to n, no means right number is not a palindrome, stop. So this is a, see, for comparison of reverse is equal to n, we use decision making box rhombus. Okay, for right we use output operation parallelogram we use. So stop. This is how we can compute the reverse of a given number. Now let us see how to execute the program, how to write the program. Okay. Same, the flowchart is written using the same flowchart. Okay, is changed to program, as we can observe now. See, you can observe here. Start, okay, hash include stdio.h. You can use, if you want, you can use one comment also. Integer main, so main function execution begins from main, then it returns integer value. That's why we use return 0 at the end, opening brace, and its corresponding closing brace will be there somewhere here, corresponding closing brace, end of main. Okay, so now we shall see here which are the variables I am going to use. So I am going to use, you see, you can observe here. You can observe here in the flowchart we have used variables reverse, number, reverse assigned value 0. See here, reverse assigned value 0. Then read number, here I have declared variable number as integer, reverse as integer. So number means your given input. Then n assigned value number, so I have taken n here, so n is taken. So then in body of the while loop we have taken digit, so that's why digit is taken. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 variables, num, n, reverse, assigned value 0, digit. So reverse during declaration itself is initialized with 0. Okay, this is what start, and reverse assigned value 0. So during declaration itself reverse assigned value 0. Then read number. So read number is what type of operation? It is input operation. Scanf statement we have to take. See here, this is what the scanf statement. This is what scanf statement. Scanf %d ampersand num. So num is already declared of type integer. That's why format character is %d. I have told you every scanf should be preceded by printf statement for our convenient purpose. So printf enter some positive number colon within inverted comma. Okay, so this is corresponds to our first box, our second box, read number parallelogram. So next is what? N assigned value number, which is assignment statement. So that's why here you can take, see, we have taken n assigned value num, n assigned value num. Okay, so then extended hexagon is used in the flowchart to represent a loop concept, looping concept. While loop we are using. See, while. So while, what is the condition there? Number is not equal to 0, because number, if you take the number 1, 2, 3, 4, initially it will not be 0. So as long as number is not equal to 0, we have to execute body of the loop. See, our body of the loop contains how many statements? 3 statements. So because 3 statements are there, we have enclosed them within a pair of curly braces. Okay, So while number is not equal to 0 means as long as your given number is not equal to 0, 1 2 3 4 given number, okay, stored in NUM, as long as it is not equal to 0, then you have to execute these three statements. First you have to find out the you have to extract the digits one by one. So that's why we use modulus operator here. See, digit assigned a value num mod 10, so that will give you the digit remainder number 1 2 3 4 divided by 10. What is the remainder? 4. So digit becomes 4. Then reverse is equal to reverse star 10 plus digit. Initially reverse is initialized with 0 here. Now the new value of reverse is equal to old value of reverse into 10 plus digit. So reverse has to be every time multiplied by 10. Okay, that will come to know. We'll trace it, you will understand this. Then the number has to be modified. So because you see, as long as number is not equal to 0 means number, if the given number 1 2 3 4 is always 1 2 3 4, then we will never come out of this loop. So that's why every time we should modify the number. So number assigned a value number slash 10. Every time 1 2 3 4 should be made 1 2 3. 1 2 3 should be next made 1 2. 1 2 should be next made 1. 1 should be next made 0. When number becomes 0, then control comes out. So for that operation we use quotient here. Given number divided by 10, whatever the quotient you get every time, so that you are storing it into new number. And this is nothing but updation. See, now see, you can observe here while loop has loop initialization, means number means some value here. Scanf ampersand number is number initialization or loop variable initialization, means in number, because what is the variable used in loop condition? NUM. So before entering into the loop, some value should be there in NUM. So that's why here we are storing 1 2 3 4 in NUM. So that's why this scanf statement acts as loop variable initialization also. And this is the loop condition, number not equal to 0. And loop updation, see, number assigned value number slash 10. So this is loop updation, means loop variable number, its value will be changed, so that at one stage it becomes 0. So condition becomes false, then control comes out. Okay. Then see, well, you have computed, say once the number becomes 0, control comes out, then by that time your reverse will have the reverse number. So you print that reverse of a given number is equal to %d \n. So in place of %d, reverse value computed is displayed. Then you have to check whether it is a palindrome or not. So that's why this is the condition to check the decision box in flowchart we have. Okay, right reverse here. Once the control comes out in the flowchart, say right reverse, corresponding to right reverse we use printf. The reverse of given number is equal to %d comma reverse. Okay, then after parallelogram right reverse, decision box. So decision box means equivalent statement is if statement. If is reverse is equal to n, see, if condition reverse is equal to n. Possible answers are yes or no. Yes means what? Right number is palindrome, parallelogram. So that's why printf statement, the given number %d is palindrome. In place of %d comma this value of n we have stored in some other variable. No, NUM is copied into n, so that will be displayed here. Stop, then else part is skipped. If reverse is equal to n is true, before else is executed and after else part is skipped, means this will be skipped, and control comes out. Get ch means that will be end of program. Return 0. So corresponding to int main, return 0, end of program. Suppose here in the flowchart reverse is equal to n. No. No means what? Means if this condition is false. If this condition is false means before else whatever statement is there, that will be skipped. After else whatever is there, that will be executed. See, this will be executed. The given number %d is not a palindrome. So in place of %d, after comma we have n, which is already stored in the beginning. NUM is copied into n. Then get ch, end of program. So this is what the program corresponding to your flowchart. Okay. Now see here, this is the complete program to check whether a given number is palindrome or not, and whatever I explained, this is the program. So let us compile it. Let us run it. Let us check what will be the output. Enter the positive number. I said no, 1 2 3 4 I will take. So 1 2 3 4, what is its reverse actually? 4 3 2 1. So it is not a palindrome. That message we have to get. First reverse has to be displayed, so that's why we have used a printf statement to display the reverse once we compute in the loop. See, the reverse of a given number is 4 3 2 1. Then we have used if statement. If reverse is equal to n value, num, first 1 2 3 4 is the num value, that it is copied into n. Now if reverse is equal to n, no, that's why given number 1 2 3 4 is not a palindrome. So this is how we will get the message. Once again I am going to run it. See, enter the positive number. Now I will write 2 3 3 2. So what is its reverse? This is stored in num, and once again it is copied into n. What is its reverse number? Once again 2 3 3 2. So that's why this is a palindrome. Reverse is equal to given number, no? So the reverse of a given number is what is stored in reverse, 2 3 3 2. So given number is palindrome. Okay, we shall check them. We shall trace the program. You will understand it better. See here, once you declare the variables, so what are your variables? What are your variables? NUM, memory is reserved for NUM. Then N, memory is reserved for N. Then reverse, which is equal to initialized to 0. Then we have digit. So when variables are declared NUM, N, reverse is equal to 0, digit, memory is reserved like this. Then clear screen, enter the positive number, it displays on the screen. Scanf ampersand number. So if you input 1 2 3 4, so what will be the value of number? Value of number is 1 2 3 4. Okay, then n ascend value number. So what will be the value of n? N is equal to 1 2 3 4. Safely we have stored num value at another variable num. This is required, compulsory. Then while loop is executed. What is your while loop here? While number is not equal to 0. Is number 1 2 3 4 is not equal to 0? Yes, it is not equal to 0. Then execute body of the loop. What is body of the loop? Digit is equal to number mod 10. So what is our number here? 1 2 3 4 divided by 10. What is the remainder? So remainder you are going to get 4. Okay, then reverse is equal to this one. Reverse is equal to what? Reverse star. What is our present value of reverse? 0 multiplied by 10 plus digit. What is digit value? 4. So this is equal to how much? 0 into 10, 0, 0 plus 4. So 4 is our new value of reverse. 4. Then number ascend value number slash 10. Number ascend value number slash 10. Number is this one, 1 2 3 4 divided by 10. What is the quotient? So quotient will be 1 2 3. Quotient will be 1 2 3. Then this is the last statement. After the last statement in the loop, control goes back to condition. What is condition? Number not equal to 0. Is number not equal to 0? Yes, number is not equal to 0. 1 2 3. Execute body of the loop. What is body of the loop? Digit ascend value num mod 10. So digit ascend value what? Num mod 10. What is number here? 1 2 3. Mod 10 divided by 10. What is the remainder? So remainder is going to be 3 here. Then reverse is equal to reverse star 10 plus digit. So reverse is equal to reverse star 10. What is our present value of reverse? 4. 4 into 10 plus digit. What is present value of digit? 3. So this is equal to how much? 4 into 10, 40, 40 plus 3, 43 will be our new value of reverse. The number is equal to number slash 10. So number is equal to what? 123 divided by 10. What is the quotient? 123 divided by 10. What is the quotient? Quotient is 12. So 12 will be your new value of number. This is the last statement. So control goes back to the condition. Number not equal to 0. So NUM, is it not equal to 0? 12. S. S means execute body of the loop. What is body of the loop? Digit is equal to num mod 10. So digit is equal to num mod 10. Num is 12 divided by 10. What is the remainder? So remainder is 2. Then reverse is equal to reverse star 10 plus digit. So our new value of reverse is equal to old value of reverse. What is present value of reverse? 43 into 10 plus digit. What is the present value of digit? 2. So this is equal to what? 43 into 10, 430 plus 2. So 432. Then NUM assigned value number slash 10. New value of number is equal to 12 divided by 10. What is the quotient? So quotient is 1. Then this is the last statement. After last statement, condition num not equal to 0. Is num not equal to 0? Yes, num is 1, not equal to 0. Execute body of the loop. So what is body of the loop? Digit assigned value num mod 10. So digit assigned value num mod 10. 1 divided by 10. What is the remainder? 1 divided by 10. 10 zeros are 0. So 1 is the remainder. Reverse is equal to reverse star 10 plus digit. So what is our new value of reverse? So new value of reverse is equal to present value of reverse 432 into 10 plus digit. Digit value is 1. So this is equal to how much? 432 into 10, 4320 plus 1, 4321. That will be new value of reverse. And num is equal to num slash 10. So new value of num is equal to num slash 10. 1 divided by 10. What is the quotient? 10 zeros are 0. So quotient is 0. This is the last statement. So control comes back to condition. Num not equal to 0. Is num not equal to 0? No. Num is equal to 0. So condition becomes false. So when the condition becomes false, control comes out. So when the control comes out, you see the reverse of a given number is equal to percentage D reverse. So percentage D reverse. Now what is the new value of reverse here? What is the new value of reverse? 4321. What is your given number? 1234. So what is the reverse? 4321, which is stored in variable name reverse. Okay. Now you observe here, what is the value of number now? 0. So that's why we should not compare reverse with NUM, because NUM value is changed from 1234 to 123, 123 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 0. So that's why, because we have known well in advance that number value would change, that's why safely it is stored back here. N assigned value NUM. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is stored back safely into another variable n. Now you have to compare reverse value with n. If both are same, it is palindrome. Otherwise, it is not palindrome. Okay. So this is what the program. See here. Once you compute the reverse value you are going to print 1, 2, 3, 4. So if reverse is equal to n, then given number percentage D is palindrome. Else part is skipped. If reverse is equal to n, condition is false, this is skipped. In our case, is reverse is equal to n. Reverse is what? 4321. N is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So condition is, our condition is false. Condition is false means this is skipped. Else part is executed. In else part, one printf statement. The given number percentage D is not a palindrome, comma, because percentage D format character is used. In that place, we have to substitute its value, one variable value n. So this is what we are going to check whether a given number is palindrome or not. So if the given number is say for example 2334, then reverse is equal to n, condition is true, then this printf statement is executed. So given number percentage D is a palindrome, comma n is executed. So it will display the given number 2332 is palindrome. Message will get, and else part is skipped, and that will be end of program. So this is how we can write the program to check whether a given number is palindrome or not. You practice the program, and if you get any doubt, you rewatch it, and you can become perfect. And thank you for watching this program.